Hello and namaste to everyone. I hope you all are doing well. So, I know it has been quite long since I've posted any video, but today I bring you a very interesting video which is going to connect maths and life. The video which I'm going to share is very basic and simple. It has very basic concepts of maths, and actually you don't even need to be of mathematics background to understand this video. So I hope you all enjoy watching this video. The title of this video is Four Square Questions. Four square questions. So, this is a video where this is a puzzle where there is one square. We all can see this is a big square, and this square is divided into four equal squares A, B, C, and D. And inside this also we have little squares, right? Which is bisecting these squares. So now let's start with the puzzle. Look at the diagram carefully. Now I will ask you four questions about this square. Are you ready? Okay, so are you all ready? Let's start. First question. Divide the white area in square A into two equal pieces. Okay, divide the white area in square A into two equal pieces. Easy, isn't it? I know you all must have divided it with a simple line like this, and then it is divided into two equal pieces. So this is the solution for this. Here is the answer. See, by drawing this line, this white area is divided into two equal pieces, right? Okay, now let's move on to the next question. Divide the white area in square B into three equal pieces. Okay, you have to divide the white area into three equal pieces. White area of square B. Not so difficult, isn't it? I will just draw one line here and one line here. And isn't it divided into three equal pieces? Right? Okay, let me show you the solution. Here is the answer. See, first part, second part, and the third part. Now, let's move on to the third question. Divide the white area in square C into four equal pieces. Okay, now I'm going to give you some time to figure this out, right? Because it is slightly difficult than what we have done in square A and square B, where in square A we have divided the white area into two equal pieces, and in square B we have divided the white area into three equal pieces, right? So I'm going to give you some time here to divide the white area of square C into four equal pieces. Just have a look. How are we going to divide it? You just have to think out of the box and you can see how are we going to divide it. I'm going to give you a few more seconds before we move. I think some of you are getting it right also. Some of you may have figured out till now. How are we going to divide it? Okay, so now I'm going to show you the answer. If you still want some more time to figure it out, you can just pause the video and then can have a look at the answer. Okay, see. Like this, by making this into L shape, I have divided this into four equal pieces. First one, second one, third one, and the fourth one, right? So see, is this dividing this area into four equal pieces? Of course, this is how we have divided the white area into four equal pieces. Now I'm going to move to my last question, a very important question. Like basically the most important question of this whole puzzle. Be ready. Here comes the last question. Divide the white area in square D into 7 equal pieces. I'm sorry. I repeat, divide the white area in square D into 7 equal pieces. World record is just 7 seconds. So someone has figured out this in just 7 seconds. Try to use. Okay, I may not be giving you more time. See, world record is 7 seconds. We should be able to do it in 30 seconds, right? Few more seconds. Few more seconds to go. Okay, so shall I tell you the answer? Are you ready for the answer? Here is your answer. Any ideas? You can post the ideas in the comment section if you have any. Now I'm going to show you. Are you still puzzled? Some of you might be still puzzled and some of you must have figured it out. Let's see. Here's the answer. Just drawing these lines, just drawing these 3-6 lines, and we have divided our area into 7 equal pieces. Easy, isn't it? Was it really that tough? No, it wasn't really that tough. It was quite easy actually. So, if you didn't get the answer, it was just that your mind was conditioned to seek a complex solution. See, this was all about the riddle, but now let's move on to the learning of this riddle. I know, when you divide it into 2 equal pieces, when you divide it into 3 equal pieces, and when you divide it into 4 equal pieces, and the last is to divide it into 7 equal pieces. Now you all know how we have divided it. But now let's move on to the learning part of this video, which actually connects maths and life. It is just gonna tell you how our mind works sometime. Like if you were not able to get the solution, just trust me, most of us are not able to get the solution. Even I wasn't able to get the solution. First time I saw this video, like I saw this question, but then I was so amazed when I looked at the answer, and I was like, oh my god, it was so simple. And this is how we complicate things in our life too. So if you didn't get the answer, it was just that your mind was conditioned to seek a complex solution. Lessons learned. Most of the times our minds get conditioned so much by the circumstances that we cannot see the obvious. When we are in some situation, we are surrounded by so many things that we are not able to think out of the box. We are not able to look for the simple solution which just lies right in front of us, because we are so into it. Sometimes we are anxious, sometimes we are panicked, or even if you're not anxious or panicked, you are basically trapped in that situation. So it is very important to take a break and step out from that situation to see the obvious solutions. When we go to a specialist doctor with a simple headache, diagnosis starts from migraine upwards. We assume that things are so complicated and we get entrapped in the ghost of its thoughts. Trust me, this happens with mostly of us, that we are so much into it that we just have our mind, have our thoughts, we believe in it, and then we operate on those biases. We carry on the same syndrome to our relationships and make them complicated. This, I think, happening is around the globe. This is happening around the globe. We are carrying the same syndrome to our relationships and make them complicated, right? So the lesson is, be simple in life. The greatness of this man was his simplicity. I guess we can all implement this in our life to make it look more easy and fun. So I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you. Have fun and have a nice day.